Breathe wrong, and you might end up like the monkeys.
What if the way you breathe is reshaping your face right now?
Decades ago, scientists made a chilling discovery. Monkeys forced to breathe through their mouths developed shocking facial deformities. The question is, are you next?
This isn't just about monkeys. Mouth breathing in humans, especially children, leads to crooked teeth, narrow jaws, and even breathing problems.
Think you're breathing right? Think again. Mouth breathing could be silently reshaping your face and destroying your health. More videos on breathing coming soon. Don't miss out. Subscribe now.